So I think we can all agree that Archeer makes some good stuff, man. Everything I've reviewed from Archeer so far has been top notch. Never been disappointed in the quality, functionality, or the whole product as a whole. So now we're gonna test out this VHF wireless microphone system. Let's get into this box. Not a whole lot to see on here, but just in case you want to see, you got the world, and basically you broadcasting some music, maybe some tunes, maybe some lyrics, maybe some bars, I don't know, but let's get into this box and see what we're gonna do about it. So, let me see here, do I see any specs or anything on the box? Nah, not really. Let's go ahead and just open this thing up, man. Let me see, got some styrofoam right here to protect it. I got, let me see. Oh, okay, so this is your power plug, your DC adapter, because you have sort of a receiver right here. Let's go ahead and undo this. Put that right, let's put that back in there. And then you got microphone one, checker, microphone one, checker. All right, so you got this orange cap on it. I guess that's so you can tell them apart. It just says mic right there. Then you got an on-off switch. Well, I'm gonna get into this. Let me just unbox everything real quick. You got another microphone that has an orange, that has a gray cap on the end. That way you can tell which one is mic 1, which one is mic 2, but they're identical other than the bottom cap on the bottom. So let's put that over there. Then we have, okay, this is your not 3.5. This is, I don't know what size this is, man. It's big, it's bigger than a 3.5. It's your standard audio jack that you plug in for a microphone, I know that much. All right, but it's not that long. Man, that's about what, 2.5 feet or something like that. Not that long. So you definitely need to keep this and some instructions. All right, let's put this over to the side here so we can talk about everything. Got the instructions right here. You definitely need to keep this pretty close because that's about how much range you got from your audio input device or your audio output device. I guess this would be the input, and then the speaker you plug it into is either gonna be a speaker. I'm plugging mine into my big old speaker. Or you're gonna plug it into some type of audio system, and that would be your output device. So let's get in here. All right, so right off the top, you got this aluminum fascia. Is that a sticker or something? No, it's just aluminum, and it's tinted purple. I don't know how that's coming out on the camera, but you got a pretty big LCD screen right here. Big pushy power button. Or you got a volume control or a gain control on both sides. And without turning this thing on, I can see you have 2 channels here. Let's look on the back. Okay, you got these 2 antennas. I want to be careful with these. These do not extend, so they do swivel and turn. Let's go ahead and tilt those up. Be careful with them. I mean, they don't feel fragile, but they're kind of stiff, so they don't flop all over the place. So you don't want to bang it the wrong way and just knock it off because they are aluminum. So looks like you got 2 outs. You got output B, output A, and then you got your power in right there, your DC power in. And that's it, man. It seems like a fairly easy connection. From what I understand, even though you got 2 mics and 2 sides right here, and 2 outputs, all you need is this. I mean, it comes with everything except the batteries. Let's see where to put the batteries into these things. Oh, okay. Flashlight style. Okay, so you put 2 AA batteries in here, not bad. I got some AA batteries. I'm gonna go ahead, you know what? Let me go ahead and take my AA rechargeable batteries. I'm gonna charge them up. I'm gonna put them in the mics. I'm gonna plug this thing up. Let's go to my studio, plug it up to the speaker, see how this thing works out, and we'll close out the video. Okay, so we are here at the studio. I got my big old Blackweb 100 amp or 60 watt speaker, whatever it is. This is my output device. So I'm going to go ahead and put this DC power adapter into the back of here. Give me some power. And let me put it in output A. I'll put this one cable in output A, and that's where I will take this, put it in my microphone jack, because after all, it is a mic. Let me go ahead and power this up. I forgot to do that. All right. On switch, power on. It says hello. And all I have is this one cable in here, and it's supposed to work. So let me go ahead and power this thing up. Get it off the carpet. I don't like having electronics on carpet. There's no fans or nothing on this thing. All right, let's plug it in right here. All right, we got some pretty lights. All right, so we got 2 channels lit up. We got the power here. And we got, yeah, everything's lit up. I like the LEDs, and it's so bright. All right, let's put it right there. Can you see that? Let me just let you see that right there. Okay. They're both on individual channels. So it looks like it's actually going to work out. I'm really confused on how I only need one wire per microphone, but we're going to find out. So let's put these batteries up in this bad boy. Okay, so the cap comes off for no reason at all. Let's screw it back on. Hold on. All right, so you take the other part off, and then you put your batteries in here. I'm using AA rechargeables. These are energizers, because I hate buying batteries. That's why I wish everything was USB rechargeable. Put these bad boys in here. Nice and quick, like. All right. Power on. Let me see if it, this is channel 2, 733.2. Channel 2, 733.2. Is it already synced up? Channel 1, 758.2. Get out of here. I wonder, okay, I don't hear anything yet. Let me see, let me turn this up. Hello? Whoa, testing. Wow, okay, it actually works. Let me see. This is channel 1. I'm turning up the gain on the amplifier. Wow, on the receiver. Okay, so let me turn this about halfway. Okay, so this is halfway, channel 1, and it's working. What? All right, so channel 1 works. Okay, let's put that right there. And get out of here. Channel 2 works too. Okay, this is a plug and play system. So I'm gonna just sit right here. This is literally a plug and play system. I haven't done anything special. Let me turn this one up just a notch. So I'm turning them both up halfway, and they're both coming through the output. Seriously, let me bring it out here. So you gotta put your mouth up to it. Hello, testing, testing, testing. Oh, that is sweet. Hello. Wow. They are already set up. And I'm sure you can change the channels. I haven't looked at the instructions. I literally just plugged this thing up and it's already set up and it works. They're already synced up to the channels they need to be synced up to. I'm pretty sure you can change it if need be. And I'm not even getting any feedback, and I'm right up on it. Well, I'm getting a little bit of feedback. But typically, you know what? Let me walk around. Okay, so I got microphone 1 here, and it is blasting through the speaker. That is so cool. All right, it is straight up wireless. So if I had a partner here, or a co-host, or somebody I was doing a duet with, let me see. Oh, it is working. You know what? They sound exactly the same. You can't even tell the difference between the two. That's hot. All right. I like the microphone setup. Trust me, these are gonna come in handy because I got a whole bunch of stuff I want to do. Y'all won't get to see it, but I do have events here at my studio and stuff, so this will definitely come in handy. Love the microphones. Oh, by the way, you know what? Let me show you the build quality of these. Let me turn them both off. All right, so let's get in here. Let me show you the build quality. So you have your on-off switch right there. Get in there so you can see. Once you turn it on, I mean, it's not a flimsy switch at all. You got a very clear LCD screen right there. It is very clear. Let me turn it back off so I won't have any accidents. But the microphone build is very solid. You got this mesh right here, the steel mesh. It doesn't flex at all. I mean, everything feels solid. Archeer did a great job. Dang, I can't say anything bad about the microphone. It doesn't feel like if you drop it, it's actually gonna fall apart into a million pieces or crack even. It feels very durable. Let me put this back on the way it's supposed to go. I think I put it on crooked, this little cap. So you got two, I don't understand why this little cap comes off. Maybe if you wanted to trade them out, maybe if you wanted, I'm not sure why it would even matter, but maybe if you wanted to trade them out, that might be why, but it doesn't really have a function. So let me just put that back on there straight, because when you unscrew from here, there's a little break right there. Where you unscrew from here, that's where you actually put the batteries in. Other than that, that's the only way you interface with these microphones is you got your on-off switch, on, and then I start talking. That is nuts. Hey, look, I ain't claiming to be an expert in this kind of stuff. Not an audio guy, not even a video guy, just like shoot videos and reviewing stuff. But before I get out of here, y'all go ahead and make sure y'all tap on that like button, smash the subscribe, and I'll see y'all at the next one.